What's good, y'all? Demoralized here, and boy am I happy today. We finally got the tune, and it's only the tube for it, but the intake, and we are officially tuned by Brinspeed. And I literally rushed home from work to flash this tune on and just start ripping, because I've been dying to tune my car since I've got it. I've had it for about a month and a half now, and like I've just been dying to tune it. I didn't get to tune the white car. That was just a straight pipe car with a Octane filter from the guy who owned it before me. And like I was like, I'm gonna tune this car. I need to tune this car. But today we're tuning Null, the 3-valve. All right, so everything you see here is what comes included with the intake. So this is the hose line, this is the tube itself, filter, clamps and screws, and then the heat shield. So stock engine bay, I guess, if you don't count the coil packs, which I don't. So we got the basic stock Ford air filter that came on the car. Then I have a catless H pipe. I don't know if you can see it down there, obviously no cats. And then the pipe bomb axle back. So I'm gonna disassemble the stock air box and then install the new intake. All right, so I got the stock air box off. Basically all it is a 10 millimeter for this guy, removing this sensor from the air box. And then to remove this from the throttle body, all you'd need is a 8 mil, use deep sockets, and then deattach the stock hosing mount to from the airbox. So now we are good to install this once I remove the stock vacuum hose. The intake is in, everything's plugged in. We got the sensor reconnected, filter clamped down, tube connected to the throttle body, and then the new sensor or hosing connected to the underneath of the throttle body. All we gotta do now is flash the tune and give it its first startup. Process a million times, but I'm gonna show you guys one more time. So we go program vehicle. It's gonna give you this notice saying fuck the EPA. It's gonna tell you to turn the key on. It's gonna process some data about your car and then load up your tunes. And I'm gonna do the 93 race tune, get the most power out of what I have for the car so far. So 93 Octane Tune. And I believe it just takes the stock ECU and all that. I'm not messing with anything that they did for the tune, so I'm just straight up yep, do that, custom tune. It's gonna just prepare some more data, you know, get some more information about the car. And then you know, you're gonna have to turn the vehicle off, and then it's gonna tell you what to do from there. Turn it back on, and then it should begin to flash the tune from there. So it's just gonna get some more data, and then we should be able to flash the tune. All right, I just got back from my little test run with the car, and let me tell you, this thing rips. I've owned 2 3-valves now, and while the other one wasn't tuned, the other one was way faster without it. And I'm completely honest on that one. The X pipe over H pipe, X pipe definitely gave it that tad edge over the off-road H pipe, but being tuned is a totally different animal. I know I'm probably only 300 wheel with this setup and like same around that torque range, but it's a night and day difference with tuning. I definitely would recommend hitting up Brinspeed. They are some of the top of the line tuners for 3-valves. They know what they're doing, and I'm gonna give you guys a full in-depth review after I get some more miles on the car and get used to it some more, so I can give you my full thoughts and opinions on it. But I definitely would recommend them. So on that note, I appreciate you guys tuning in today's video. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.